¿Cómo te llamas tú o cómo se llama usted? ¿De dónde eres tú o de dónde es usted? ¿Dónde vives tú o dónde vive usted? So, which one am I going to use, right? You have heard in Spanish we have two ways of saying you, right? And I'm talking about the you singular, right? So you, like, what's your name? How are you doing, right? Just when I'm talking to one person. So I have tú and I have usted. So which one am I going to use, right? So you're going to see some videos that they teach you how to use tú, and some videos will teach you how to use usted. So what is the difference? Okay, so in Spanish, anytime that I'm talking to somebody in a more formal way, like maybe my boss, a judge, or a police officer, an older person, right? Out of respect, I'm gonna use usted. For example, for me in real life, I use usted with the parents of my friends, right? Because they're probably older than me. I want to be respectful. Okay. Also, if I'm talking to a doctor, I'm going to use usted, and the doctor is going to use usted with me because it's more a professional relationship than a closer, a more familiar, or more intimate relationship. And then every time that I'm talking to one of my friends or I'm talking to a child, I can very freely use tú with them because it's more informal, it's more casual. Okay, so I just wanted to make this little video to answer some questions related to when it is that I'm going to use tú and when it is that I'm going to use usted. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Adios.